Hello, dear students. Today I am going to tell you about a new topic, that is CSV uh, files in Python. Actually, in your revised syllabus, CBSE have added one additional topic, that is CSV file. This is the part of file handling. So this is the different type of file, and in this video and in this lecture I will try to tell about the basic concepts of CSV file. Okay, so we will start. In 2020 and 21 syllabus, actually they have added two concepts: CSV file, open, read and write function, and second is read from a CSV file and write into a CSV file. So these operations with the help of using CSV.reader and CSV.writer over here. Actually, this is also in Python, in syllabus of IP also. So uh, don't confuse. Both functions are different. In this CS, they want to use reader function and write through function. So both IP and syllabus functions are something different. Okay, so this is the year revised syllabus. Actually, this is the file, comma, this is the file, CSV file, comma, separated value files is a type of plain text file. These values are separated by commas. This file can be viewed like a Excel file. Actually, this has feature for separation of data, and this is similar as a Excel file, but this is used for storing data that uses specific structure of arrangement. Okay, this is important. This is specific structuring of structure of arrange tabular data. Okay, table means row and column. Because it is plain text file, it can contain only actual text data. Okay, in other words, printable ASCII or Unicode characters. Actually, this is in readable format, so this contain ASCII or Unicode characters. The structure of CSV file is given by its name. Okay, that you can find out with the help of extension of the CSV file. Okay, so I think this is comma separated value. This is the file which is similar as a Excel, but this is data can be separated by semicolon. So data can be separated with the help of commas. Okay, so this is the example of CSV file you are seeing here. I have taken a picture for showing you CSV file. Actually, this is a total different at Excel. Okay, so data are in the form of separate values. See, there are certain advantages, but I will tell you with the help of other things. See, this is the one more thing is that basic approach to share data is through the comma separated value. Actually, the use of this is to share data with the help of CSV files. Simple flat file is a human readable format which is again extensively used to store tabular data, spreadsheet or database. CSV file is store tabular data. Okay, you know. So file can be suppose this is the data, and you can store that data in form of Excel sheet, database, Word, any other formats. But you can also store this data in form of CSV, and this format can be stored in form of data. CSV that can store only data. So this is the different format of storing of data in place of Excel or databases. Okay, comma stand for comma separated value. Each record consists of fields separated by commas. It is used to storing tabular data in a spreadsheet or database. Each line of the file is called a records. These are the feature of CSV file. Okay. Now, why use? With the use of social networking sites and its various associated applications being extremely used requires the handling of huge data. So to handle, the problem arises as to how to handle the organization this large unstructured data. So जो large unstructured data उसको handle करने के लिए CSV फाइल का खास तौर पर यूज है. उसके बाद large amount of to handle the handling huge amount of data you can use what आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे पता है फेसबुक फेसबुक है, आपका ट्विटर है, आपके जो है और भी जो भी सोशल मीडिया साइट्स आप लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. और इसके अलावा भी कंपनीज़ के भी बहुत डेटा हैं जो कंपनियां ऑनलाइन सप्लाईज करती हैं. तो वो भी डेटा आपको इस तरह से आप देखिए इस तरह से स्कैटल वे में पड़ा हुआ, तो इसको आप स्टोर करने का एक तरीका है CSV फाइल. ओके, ठीक है. तो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर CSV लिखा है. नाउ सम एडवांटेज: faster to handle, smaller in size, easy to generate the import onto a spreadsheet or database. एक सबसे बड़ा फ़ायदा है कि इसको आप एक्सेल सीट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं या किसी डेटाबेस में भी इसको आप इजीली कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द बिग एडवांटेज. ह्यूमन रीडेबल एंड इजी टू एडिट, मैनुअली आप एडिट कर सकते हैं जैसे एक्सेल करते हैं. सिंपल टू इम्प्लीमेंट एंड पार्ट्स. ओके, प्रोसेस बाय ऑलमोस्ट ऑल एग्जिस्टिंग एप्लीकेशन. दिस इज यूजफुल फॉर ऑल maximum applications. In Excel also this is possible. When you are opening Excel, one format is .csv. See, ठीक है, extension .csv. Okay, now here they will use what they will use import CSV with the help of open function. Import CSV. Now this is the important things. Like other files, text and binary Python, there are two basic operations that can be carried out by CSV file. You can read or write. Reading a CSV file or writing a CSV file with the help of what? Python language. You have already worked on text and binary file. Now you can also do your work with the help of CSV file. Reading from CSV. Okay. So this is the example of CSV file. This .csv, student.csv. This is Excel. Same data, both data are same, but this is stored in .csv file format, and this is .excel. You can also convert this into this and this into this. Okay, they have created a program for row in CSV reader. Actually this program they are doing with the import CSV. One important thing, now you will open the file. Okay, you can take your position of your file. Now this is overreader equal to csv.reader f. F is this object. Over CSV reader equal to csv.reader f. Okay, now here using for loop for row in CSV reader. They are using row in CSV reader, print row. Now you can print, actually this file's student.txt is this. Okay, they want to print with the help of Python program. So this is your file. Okay, now after execution you can, after closing, basic operations are same: open, read, write जो आपको करना है, then closing. Now here they have used only one line for row in CSV reader function. So this is the different. This is one only additional thing. Okay. Now this is the printable format of your CSV file. You can also see in your book. Okay. Write a program to read the contents of student.csv file using open function. So this is again similar, same. Okay, they have created a list to store data in file. This is the another way. So this is the third example. Number of records. Count the number of records in a student CSV file. I will share this book, and you can also find out and write down your copy. One important thing is there, you can while you are opening file, the path is important. So if your system is taking by default path, then no problem. Otherwise you will face problem while using while opening this CSV file. Okay, this is the one method. Next method, to return the current row and advance the iteration to the next row. This will return the current row. Okay, so that will repeat only current row. This is the one another example. Line number is nothing. Actually, they have used line numbers here. So there are many programs. Now this is the concept of writing to CSV file. Writing to CSV file, you can use csv.write function. This is the important thing. While writing data into CSV file, use csv.writer function. Okay. So here they have used row, field is this, row is this. Okay, import. In this format where they have used hash, they all are comments. Okay, this is CSV writer function. Okay, this is here, they have mark.csv. Okay, contents of mark.csv created using this program. They have given explanation also, not necessarily they have maximum things. So I think you can write program, read or write data with the help of your CSV files. Okay, so try to do these things in your copy and also in your system. If you're facing any difficulty, you can contact me and I will try to sort out your problems. But this is the new topics and you should revise this topic. So I hope you can better understand concept of CSV file. Okay. So again, thank you very much.